Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I got it like I think 2 days ago and I haven't used it yet. I was going to do a video, so that's what today's video is. I'm going to be doing a look with the Prism palette from Anastasia. I'm really excited. This is the front of the palette and this is what it looks like on the inside. I think the colors are really cool. I think it's like this is a luxe holiday eyeshadow collection with 14 shades featuring universal neutrals and prismatic metallics. I'm pretty excited. I just think, okay, so I have an Anastasia palette. I have my really dirty Modern Renaissance palette. Like, I think I'm gonna repurchase one of these so it's clean. I got this I think last year. I have two actually. I have this one. This is one I have not finished using yet. And then I have a backup one because my mom, I told my mom I got this palette already and stuff like that, but then she got it for me for Christmas anyway. I was like, whatever. So I have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. And I have the Anastasia Prism palette. And I think Anastasia palettes are like really cool. I'm going to get Subculture like in a couple weeks. Or whenever I get it, but I want to try Subculture out. I know there's been a lot of controversy on Subculture and stuff like that, but I was at the store and I think they changed Subculture. Like they're more pressed now instead of how they were about like when it first came out. So I'm gonna try Subculture, and then I don't know, I might get the new one. I don't really know. I probably will get the new one, but you know, yeah, I just really love Anastasia palettes so much. Like I think they're really cool. The only thing I don't like is that they get really fucking dirty. Like especially this, like you see this? Anyway, whatever, you probably can. So without further ado, let's get into Anastasia Prism eyeshadow review palette, whatever, makeup tutorial. So as you can see, my eyes are already done. I used here it is. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. By the way, Anastasia is probably my favorite brand out there. Like, I really love Anastasia. Like, I have a, like, Anastasia, you know? So, I already did my eyes with that, and then I did my whole eye. I prepped my eye, you can say, with the Tarte Shape Tape in light sand. So, I'm gonna zoom you a little closer. Come. And we're gonna start the tutorial. Okay, so you are pretty dang close. As you can see, this palette is really fucking cool. Sphere is, like, bitch. I'm gonna use this shade for sure. I think I already have an idea of what I'm gonna do. I was like, you know, thinking about it in my mind, like today at school, I was just like in class, I was just like, what eye makeup can I do with this palette? And then I was like, wait, that's actually a good idea. And hopefully it looks good. I don't really know. I'm not really like faux show about it, but let's just do it. So on this Morphe This is my Morphe M441 brush. I was using my my nose contouring brush, but I'm not using it that much for nose contouring. I'm gonna go in with the shade Unity, and it is very much a pale kind of shade, but we are going to, okay, so Fallout, obviously it's just the same. I'm gonna put this as a transition shade, and I'm just gonna explain later, but it's just a sand color transition shade. Nothing really intense, nothing cray-cray. And I'm just gonna take that and go really in on the crease. It low-key looks green though, but I mean like whatever. I mean it is a yellow shade, so. And I'm just gonna do a typical me kind of look. I'm gonna blow out the shadow. So because we're gonna do kind of like a cat eye kind of thing, you know. So I'm just gonna take out the shadow just like this and really blend it all out. So the crease is nice. Okay, so this is the Fallout so far. Can y'all see that? But it comes off, so I mean that's good. So the reason why I put Unity first is because I'm gonna take Parallel and like these two shades I'm gonna mix and stuff like that, so it's gonna be a really good transition shade. Hopefully, I hope so. I was thinking about it and I swatched it and hopefully it goes well. So I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go in with some of Parallel, tap off the excess, and then I'm just going to go in basically on the outer corner and kind of blend it in lightly with with Unity. So just like on the outer corners though. Well, not really, just take it all the way in the crease. But you just want to do like lightly, just don't want it to be like too intense. In the palette with the e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going with Obsidian, the black. And I'm literally just going to take this right on the outer corner. It's a pigmented black for sure. I'll put it in the outer corner. And then kind of just like keep it out there and then like kind of blend it out. Okay, I'm actually really scared, so I'm just going to go back in with the 441 brush. Blend that out. Just like a little bit of black. We don't want too much black in the eyeshadow. We just want like some black for definition. So this is the eye so far. Trying just a normal, like basic smoky eye. But now it is time to do the half cut crease. So take whatever brush you want to use to do a half cut crease. I like using the e.l.f. lip brush. It's just really small. And I'm actually going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain instead. Oh, this is not the one I used. Use this one. And I'm just going to put some on my desk. Just like a little. And I'm going to put like a decent amount for both eyes because we are doing both eyes, of course. And I'm just going to take some of the concealer and basically just do a half cut crease, you know? The cut crease. And now I'm going to take some of my Airspun powder and I am going to get any clean kind of brush and I'm just going to take some powder and set the concealer. Now it's time to go with some color. So I'm gonna take Sphere on this brush. This, oh y'all look, see that? Y'all see that? Like, oh. And I'm just going to place that on the concealer. That's a look. It's really easy though. Okay, so Sphere is for sure just like falling off my eye. So I'm actually gonna take this off, this whole eye, and redo it. And I'm actually just gonna come back with both eyes done because this shit, I don't know. I think it's because I set my concealer wrong or something like that because it's really not like sticking down and I don't know why. So I'm just gonna be right back and shit, okay? So I don't think it's like bad, but I just think I did something wrong in like concealer. So I'm just gonna be right back, like 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, so basically I did the eyes all over again. The color, okay, let me add some more color because I feel like I've just been really I don't know if it's like a really stickable color. It looks like it kind of went away. Oh shit. Oh shit, oops. Okay, so what I did is that I did the eyes all over again and this is how they look. I really like it. It's a look, I like it. And then I put the tattoo liner from Kat Von D on for my wing. And then I put the Huda Beauty lashes on in Lana number something. I forgot, but I put those lashes on. And yeah, what lashes are these? Yeah, these are Lana number 10 lashes. And yeah, these are the eyes. I really like it. I think it's a really cute look. I mess with it. I haven't done like this kind of eye. I just love this kind of eye. Point blank period. Like I haven't done this kind of eye in a long time. Like liner and lashes. Like, oh, it looks really pretty. I like it. So I'm gonna zoom you out and then we're gonna do the first. So we are now moving on to the face, the skin. So So I am just going to take some of my Marabidescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm just going to spray my whole face. So while that is drying down, I'm going to tell you what primer I'm going to use. So for primer, I'm going to use my No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul. It is probably, it is a really good primer. I'm going to kind of push all of the stuff into my skin. Please get it in there. And then, you know, 1, 2, this is a lot of primer. But I'm just gonna go in and basically go under my eyes. It's a silicone-based primer, so basically it kind of hides your pores and also smooths out the skin. So I'm gonna put that everywhere. And then I'm just gonna go in with some powder and just set my entire face, especially my nose and under eye area, and in my forehead as well, because I set my primer because I like having that. It's like extra coverage, and it also just kind of like hides my pores even more. It makes my skin look even more smooth when I set my primer, so I like doing that for sure. So now that the primer is on, we're going to go in with foundation. For foundation, I'm going to take my Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. It is a medium to full coverage concealer, lightweight, oil-free formula as well. It's long-wearing, water resistant, and sweat proof is what it claims. Sure, yeah. I'm just going to take some of that on the back of my hand. I'm just going to do one pump right now. I'm just going to dot that around my face. I'm not intentionally flicking you off, so don't like worry. And then with a sponge, I'm using my Morphe sponge, I'm just going to go and press this into my skin and blend out the foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. I have not used this concealer in so long. So now that the face is all blended out, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to do the under eye with my Airspun powder, and I'm going to press that into the skin with my Beauty Blender. Oh, excuse me. But then with the rest of my face, I am going to powder puff. And it's looking good, so now let's go into bronzing. I don't really use this for bronzing, but I'm going to try it today. I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer. I was really excited when I got this because I always wanted to try it again. And I might just not be used to it or something like that, but I didn't like it. But like, I'm just going to put some Hoola on. I don't know if I like this that much anymore. Just like not too much, because I don't want it to be like too intense. Okay, this is a cute bronzer. It's more, I guess, for summer me, because I got Hoola. This was, I think, my first bronzer, and I got it in the summertime when I was darker. So, I don't know, but Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer will probably always be my fave. The Milani Luminoso Blush. You guys, I have... Ooh! Free brush that I will never use. Yay. I don't know why you guys give us these brushes. Like, no one is actually going to use this. But, thanks anyway. But anyway, the Milani Luminoso Blush. I have never tried this before. I'm going to take some of Milani Luminoso, and I'm just going to take that right against the cheeks. This is my first time trying the blush out. I know I'm not really a blush fan, but I low-key am getting into it. Okay, this is cute. Y'all see that? I just feel like I always have to just put some on my forehead just because everything has to match, I guess. That looks like a little sunburn, but whatever. Okay, this is a cute blush. I mess with it. It does give off that... Oh, yeah, I actually like that look. Y'all see that? It gives off that, like, glow look. So I don't look too dry. Okay, Milani, I mess with you. I see you, boo. Now it's time for my favorite part and everyone's favorite part, highlighting. Honestly, truly, everyone should love highlighting. It's so fun. And it gives you like that bitch glow. So I'm gonna take some Marbidescu spray and I'm just gonna put that on my skin just to get all the powders to soak up and stuff like that. I got this highlighter about like probably like a couple weeks ago. This is the e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Sunset Glow. This is it. When are you gonna focus? Okay, it's really gold. I don't know why the camera's not picking up on that. It's a gold highlighter. It's a nice kind of yellowy gold shade. So I'm gonna take my Morphe 310 brush. I don't really use brushes like this for highlighting, but I got it anyway. And I don't know how intense this can get. This is why I don't use fan brushes for highlighting. Like, I just don't think it gives off anything. No product. Instead, I'm gonna take my Morphe 501 brush. Hopefully this would do me much better. Okay, so this highlight's pretty cute. I like that it's not too intense. I like this. This is a good highlight. Who texts me? Let's go. It's like not too intense. I actually like this highlighter. I mean, e.l.f. highlighters are good already, but you know. Oh, what's the one I know? Y'all see that? Yeah, that's a good glow. I think I'm just going to take just a little bit of parallel on this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to like put this on my lower lash line. Just like more on the outer corner. And like lightly bring it in. But for inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take my ColourPop Lunch Money highlighter. This is going to be bomb AF, I know it is. Use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Stripped. My favorite nude shade. I just think it works well on my skin. Something is poking my eye. What the fuck? Okay. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this look. I love Sphere in general. I think that's such a bomb ass shade. It looks super good. Like girl, like, do you see this? Like, I think I love that pop of green right now. I'm just really feeling this look. The lashes, the wing, the glow. This is such a natural, like, but blinding glow. Let's make this look healthy as fuck. Also Luminoso, I fuck with this blush now, for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved doing this makeup look. This is like my new favorite, like one of my new favorite makeup looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down, I think here. I think it's here, the subscribe button down there, or it's here. I don't fucking know. I really forgot. Sorry. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. That helps me a lot. For sure check out my last two videos and please subscribe. Like, come on, please, please, what's up? What a cherry on top with my gorgeous face on top. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Is it off? Oh no, it's not. Oh shit, oops. Bye.